Okay, so I finally did it. I bought this piece of shit. This is the cable right here. This is a simple cable. It's the yeah, you know, it's the stupid symbol sync bullshit cable, whatever the fuck that you need. If it doesn't fucking work, it's official. I'm killing myself because I don't see why else it wouldn't. Here's the cradle, the CRD9000. You know, there's the plug. It should fucking fit. It shouldn't be some bullshit like it's RJ45, not RJ11 or some bullshit. Yeah, you see, it fits. And obviously it's gonna hook up to the end of a serial port on the computer. So, you know, there I have the T23. I'm gonna need to get a power supply for this piece of shit. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to hook everything up here because, yeah, this should be straightforward, easy, simple, lemon squeezy. We'll see if I break this fucking piece of shit right here. I spent like I think around half an hour trying to look for where the fuck it was, and it was literally on that stupid ass black seat right there. Fucking piece of shit was camouflaging. Whatever. Okay, so you know this piece of shit's starting. I fucking failed to put this garbage in IPL mode. I gotta wait for this trash to boot. Come on, hurry the fuck up, bro. Yeah, how the hell do you even fucking cold boot this trash? Christ almighty. Oh, hell, I have to fucking... Where's the stylus? I don't think I have a stylus with me. Fucking stupid. Fuck it, bro. I'll use a paper clip instead. Let's look at this. This is the process. Oh, you're gonna damage the screen. I don't fucking care. Okay. So there it is. The piece of trash right here, you see? Look at this, fucking garbage interface. So I'm gonna reboot it. So how exactly would you put this thing in IPO mode? Well, in the past video, I actually did it first try. Over here, I fucked up. Can you believe that? So there it is. I have the cradle. It's all hooked up here to a power supply. It's fucking garbage. Okay. So I think I'm gonna wait for it to clear out a bit. So then IPL, there we go. Yeah, there we go. So you see, obviously, you know, remove this stupid battery. Gotta press the bullshit little trigger in the back. And then you put in the, yeah, there we go, you see? Okay, where is my, there it is. It is, the computer. This is the computer I'm gonna need. I'm just gonna aim it to my lap over here. There you see? So now, yes, now it's time to hook this garbage up. So, plug this piece of shit. There we go. Plug it there. And then I should have everything already on this stupid computer right here. Because I tried to do this last time with a cable that didn't fucking work. And here I am now. I have to purchase this bullshit symbol cable from Australia. Because the American sellers were asking $500 fucking dollars for this stupid ass cable. Whatever. So. Gonna bother fucking screwing it in. I don't give shit. Okay, so let me see if I can aim this trash. Fuck. It's gonna be kind of shitty angle, but whatever. Where's this zoom on here? What the fuck? Oh, there it is. Holy shit, I'm losing my memory. Okay. Let me see. I was doing this bullshit. Boot it. Press the power bullshit. Okay, so I should have everything already on. So you know, I'm not even gonna bother trying to confirm active sync partnership. It should work. It should work. You know, it should work. So So I go over here. Holy fuck, let me... I think that's better. Optimal viewing angle. Okay. So... there's my hex files. So let me open up this garbage. So this was a PPT 8800. It doesn't fucking matter really. What the fuck? Where was it? Application symbol. Oh, there it is. I'm fucking stupid. Okay. So, what am I doing here? Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna have to configure on the PDT. So you know where the there it is. Oh, you know, that's gonna be kind of a shitty angle right there, ain't it? Whatever. So you know, here it is. Platform. Okay, serial. So there's our baud rate. Let me make sure my baud rate is correct over here. You fucking, there we go. Dev, device management. Where the fuck is this stupid? COM port. Port settings. Okay, so highest speed I can set it to is 115/200. Okay, that's my baud rate. Okay. So, you know, it seems good enough to me. So, it is, that is correct. Okay. That's my baud rate. Okay, before I hit download, I'm gonna browse the file on the computer here. So, what the fuck is this? Oh, no, that's 9090, 9060. It says this is a C4.1, C4.2. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. We're gonna see. Let's see if I brick it. As I said in previous, if I brick it, it doesn't really matter at this point. Okay, so that is it, right? Yeah. Okay, so I hit download on the PDT, waiting for input. Download. Yeah. Okay, well, the cable doesn't work. Now this piece of shit's fucking... hell. What the fuck, bro? I thought this shit was gonna be straightforward. I'm gonna kill myself. What the fuck is this? Wrong destination code. Expected 5, found 32. Is it bitching that it doesn't like this file? Because I don't remember if that's the one for... the file is bad or something. You know what? I don't give a shit. This should be the patched ones I made. Let's see. Okay, I shouldn't. Up for. Oh wait. Holy. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. The file I selected is the partition table. That fucking... God, I'm killing myself. Okay, so I numbered it here. So I gotta do the partition table first. So, serial 115, download. Okay, let me select partition table again on this fucking piece of shit. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, it says it was a success. Enter. Okay. What's the next one on the list? Next one was the operating system, so that's CE. So we scroll down over here. Windows CE, serial, download. Download is garbage. Fuck off. Now it's download the file. This is optimum, right? Christ almighty, I'm gonna be waiting here forever, aren't I? Oh, fuck me. Downloading 1%. You see, I'm in the middle of doing something else here. You know, I have a PowerBook 5300 I'm trying to do for the night. My god, I think I have encountered a compact flash card that's actually HFS phobic. It hates HFS. I shit, you know, I was trying to spend all morning trying to fucking get this garbage working. The stupid, what the hell do you call it? if I hook it up to the computer that the 5300, I go to drive setup. It makes me initialize, but when I try and initialize it, it fucks up in the driver install process where it says it has to install the device driver, and then it says initialization failed. I'm here thinking, what the fuck, bro? I go to the Pismo, I try and initialize it there, and when I initialize this macOS standard, which obviously does HFS, the goddamn thing is it formats, but it doesn't mount it. Well, it says it formats it, you know, but it doesn't actually mount it though. What it's actually doing instead is that you know, when I unplug the goddamn HFS, you know, the stupid compact flash card, and I plug it back into the Pismo, it says it doesn't know what the fuck it is. It says it is initializing. It's like, what the fuck, bro? And you know, to twist the knife even further into the wound, I formatted HFS Plus, you know, macOS Extended Journal, whatever the fuck, and it works. It's like, what the fuck, bro? It's some stupid Silicon Power, I think it's called. Silicon. I tried it with Kingston and it doesn't want to fucking work, and it's like, you know, fuck is bullshit, bro. Holy fuck, I've been explaining this long and it's 10%. I think I'm gonna have to cut this. Oh my god. It can't be this fucking long. Oh, hell. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm trying to do. It's giving me a major fucking headache or whatever. So, you see, anyways, you know, this stupid cable does indeed work. The bullshit terminal configuration manager that you need to use for this garbage is playing now, working. Obviously, what fucked up the first time is me being stupid. I thought PT was platform, no bro, it was partition table. There was another file there literally called plat, obviously means platform. I'm fucking dumb, man. Yeah, I haven't done this in a while, so whatever. Yeah, so here I was jerking myself off for around 20 minutes waiting for this piece of shit to load. There it is. You see, it says success. Well, it better be a fucking success. Christ almighty. That took a long time. I almost forgot how long cereal takes. Good God. Anyways, so the thing is that, you know, I have the stupid files in order. I go here, load terminal. See, 1, 2, 3. I mean, it really doesn't fucking matter, man. You know, you look through some forums online of some other people doing this, you know, typically sysadmins or some bullshit like that. Some are like, well, you gotta do it in a specific order. Some are like, fuck it, bro, just do it in whatever order you want. I'm gonna do it how I had it here. But at the end of the day, I don't think it actually matters, though. People are saying, well, always update the platform first. Or people will say, well, always update the partition table first. Brother, it doesn't fucking matter as long as you don't break the goddamn device. That's the end goal here. Anyway, so you see, if you want to wonder, that was 14 megabytes right there, the CEOS. I'll tell you this, I have another big hurdle, the application partition, and that is 12 megabytes. Oh no. Anyways, this is the platform one. This is the actual one that we're trying to do here. So, you know, if we move on to the stupid platform over here. Platform serial 115, download. Okay, just waiting for input. Download. Okie dokie. Transferring file. Let's see, it says it's downloading. Yay. It's 3 megabytes, so it shouldn't be taking that long. Well, holy fuck, for the application, I'm gonna be waiting here for probably another 15 or so minutes for this stupid piece of shit to transfer over and do whatever the hell it needs to do. See, 13, 14. It's getting there. 15. Oh my fucking god. Yeah, it's. I mean, the rest of. I was looking at the other files here. It's fucking hair. You see, that's the platform. See, that's platform right here. The fuck's my cursor? See, it's a platform. Yeah. So if I go here, that's my applications. That's the other big hurdle. So, you know, if everything goes well, we're gonna know we're gonna know if everything goes well. So far, I at least know that these are indeed the patched files, because if they weren't, they'd already be giving me errors in the first second. So, it's definitely the one I had to patch from that fucking Russian website. For some reason, the files are already fucked up for some... I don't know why the hell it was already screwed up. Stitch the CE5 hex files with the CE4 hex files. The beginning checksum rechecks. The stupid beginning portion, I mean, I don't know how the hell you describe it, but you know what you're looking at in a hex editor, and you're gonna know what's the actual data and what's the beginning portion of the stupid firmware file. Where the fuck, I know I sound like probably drunk or something, but you know, I'm not good at explaining things, which. It's kind of bad considering my job requires me to explain a lot of things clearly and precisely. Anyway, so, you know, 46%, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Oh my fucking god, bro. It's gonna get worse with the application. I have how much left? So after this application, then the last one's the monitor file. Don't tell me what the fuck the monitor file is. I know application and partition are simple ones, but monitor is... I don't know what the hell monitor is. That's required though. So I'm gonna have to do it. It's part of the process. It's only a few kilobytes though. Yeah, I mean, that's at least gonna be quick. So you know, I'm almost there. I'm almost after application. I'll be at the light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm gonna boot this piece of shit. I'm gonna see if I bricked it or not. So here I'm getting some conflicting readings. I'm in the application partition here, and you'll notice that on the terminal configuration manager. There's no percentage, but there's obviously a bar. The bar I am going to estimate is around 80 or so percent. However, on the PDT itself, it says it's 24. There shouldn't be some sort of mismatch, considering that it's at the same baud rate, so I don't know what the fuck's going on here. However, the progress bar is going on the symbol device, though. It's slowly, though. It's crawling. It's 23, 24, now it's 25. Strange. I don't know what's going on here. I hope it doesn't fail, because everything's been going okay so far. You know, surely nothing's gonna fuck up, right? Uh-oh, oh no. Look at this. Literally around 20 seconds or so later, now it's starting to pick up pace rapidly on the PDT. See, it's no longer crawling. It's now 52, 53, 34, 35. So now it's going much faster. So it seems this is, I guess, you know, I don't know how the hell you describe it, but I guess it was stalling and then it continues, and I don't know what the fuck, but whatever, man. I guess I think it's actually working though. So if that's the case, you know, you see there in the TCM, I'm close. I'm getting there. I am getting there. This is probably in the 90 or so percent range. What does the PDT say? Because it's still moving. Now then, still there, so... 9, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Are we getting there? It's close. Come on. Don't fuck up with me. Computer shows up at the loading bar. Okay. Says success. That'll be a success. Okay. So monitor. The last one, final one. Serial. 115. Let's go. We're almost there. Yes. So load terminal 5 monitor download. Okay, it's getting there. Okay, let's mount this on the tripod. Fuck, I don't want to fuck up the display on this piece of shit. Okay, so it's getting there. It is getting there. Let me zoom it up. It is close. So I'm waiting. Still waiting. Okay. It has automatically rebooted. Obviously it's gonna still show the same splash screen, however, we're gonna see if it's gonna fuck up. Oh no. Come on. Come on. Well, this is do or die. This piece of shit fucking locks up here. Oh. Yes. That's. Ah. Fuck. That's what I want to see. You fucking... Come on, piece of shit. There we go. There it is. We have successfully flashed the device here. See? And we even got our Symbol wireless card driver on. So I think it works. Should see it. Yeah, it does see it. There we go. It's good. Yippee. Okie dokie. So how the fuck do we exit this auto bullshit demo? I don't want this fucking garbage here. Get the fuck out of my way. Oh man. Yeah, there it is. So we got it working. There we go. See, this is what I actually want right here. This is the CEOS right here. So it's a success. We did it. So what we did is we wiped out the old shitty firmware that was used before that I don't care about. This is the actual proper CE 4.1 firmware. So 4.2 I mean really. So we actually upgraded it, the CE version. So yeah, you know, there it is. So let me see if I can launch a scan demo here. Is there any... Trying to... There we go. So scan engine works. Obviously everything else seems to be functional here. Yes, sir. The Spectrum card on here is fucking useless. Some shitty web card, but whatever. Oh my god, I'm on the fucking stupid battery settings. What the fuck? Is there no battery control panel on this thing? Yeah, I guess not. Huh, that's funny. Yeah, well, I mean, anyways, that is, yes, that is a success. So, we did it. We did it, Zisters. We did it, transistors. Okay, let me start with this stupid fucking dumb humor. My transistors. Whatever. Okay, yeah. There we go. Yeah, there we go. You see, obviously, I'm happy now. Yippee. So let's get the stupid cable works, and now Explorer is giving me errors, telling me what the fuck, bro. Okay, whatever. So, yeah, good. Good. Yay. Yippee.